Hello students, we will see how to study this subject. First syllabus கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Every unit equal half பிரிச்சுக்கோங்க. The number of topics எவ்வளோன்னு பாருங்க. If you have 16 na, make it as 2 8s. And then we need the university question papers. At least we need 3 set of university question papers. But in this case we have only 2. Always refer the university question papers. And you can see I have separated all the units into 2 halves. Okay, now let's analyze the November-December 2022 question. Now consider part A. Here we have 10 questions and we know that every unit covers 2 marks. The first question and second question comes from unit 1, third, fourth from unit 2, 5, 6 from unit 3, 7, 8 from unit 4 and 9 and 10 from unit 5. In first unit we have a question about plane and geodetic survey, also the local attraction. So the first question comes under the first half of the first unit, that is the classification of survey. In second half we have the local attraction. Similarly, in second unit, we have a question from first half called benchmarks. Second half, we have a question about contouring. Third unit, we have a question in first half, that is temporary adjustment of the theodolite survey. And sixth question is a sum. I am not familiar with this, so நீங்களே பார்த்துக்கோங்க அதை. 7 and 8 question from unit 4. Unit 4 first half we have a Gale's table. Second half we have question about error. 9-10 question from unit 5. First half they ask about TS total station and second half about the GPS. Okay. Now coming to part B. 11th question ellame from unit 1. 11A on the problem. I guess it comes under the topic of bearing. 11B we have plane table surveying in the question from second part of the first unit. 12th question, that is from second unit. In both A and B we have a problematic question and the question is about reduced levels. So second unit second part la irundha the question vandirukku. Now let's go for third unit. Third in here we have a problematic question. So this question comes under the first half of the third unit. There is the last topic of first half, tachyometric survey, and third in B question is from second part of the third unit. So third in B we have a question about stereotachymetry and this question is from second part of the third unit. Now let's see for the fourth unit. 14A problematic question. I am not sure about this problem. Whereas 14B is a triangulation. This is first part of the fourth unit la கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Fifth unit la first half total station கேட்டுட்டாங்க. Second half la GPS. Coming to part C. 16A is from unit 1 it seems. Bearing கேட்டிருக்காங்க and other option I'm not sure. Now let's see April-May 2023 question paper. The first and second question from part A, plane table survey and magnetic declination. This is the second part of the first unit la கேட்டிருக்காங்க. In unit 2, the purpose of leveling, fly leveling and check leveling. So it belongs to both first half and second half it seems. Similarly, fifth and sixth question from third unit. Fifth question belongs to the first part of third unit and sixth question belongs to the second part of the third unit. And seventh and eighth question from fourth unit belongs to the first part of the fourth unit. In fifth unit we have 9th and 10th question, geographic information system. It belongs to the second part it seems. The 10th question, name some modern instrument used in land survey. And idhukku answer theodolite prismatic compass, total station GPS, transit, tripod. Coming to part B questions. 11A it is about a plane table survey. This is second half of the first unit la. 11B is about a prismatic compass. So it comes under the first half of the first unit, that is the compass types. At 12A we have reciprocal leveling and 12B we have contours and both the question belongs to the second part of the second unit. In third unit we have temporary adjustment and tangential method of survey. So in third question A is from the first part of the third unit and B is from the second part of the third unit. In 14th question, we have triangulation and errors in leveling. And this questions belongs to the first part of the 4th unit. In 15th question, we have GPS and total station. First part lower question, second part lower question. And part C, first question is from unit 1 and second question is from unit 3. And if you follow this kind of study, you can score good grades. Survey மட்டும் இந்த மெத்தட் கிடையாது. Whatever the subject you choose, have a syllabus and university question paper and analyze the question paper with your syllabus. So divide the unit into 2 halves. Prepare for your exams. Study well. And that's all for this session. God bless all.